In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise as a payment method on Amazon. To get started, open your Wise account and log in through the app. Before you try to make a purchase, make sure your account is fully verified and that you have enough money available for the payment. This is important because Amazon will only be able to charge the card successfully if your Wise account is ready to use and funded properly. Next, go to the card section inside Wise and check your card options. If you're eligible, you can order a physical Wise card. In many cases, you may also be able to use a digital or virtual card, which is especially convenient for online shopping like Amazon. The main goal here is simply to have an active Wise card ready to add as your payment method. After that, fund your Wise account. Add money to your balance, and if possible, hold the currency you plan to spend, such as US dollars. If you don't already hold the same currency as your purchase, Wise may be able to convert from one of your available balances when you make an eligible card payment. Even so, it's a good idea to check your balance ahead of time so there are no surprises at checkout. Once your Wise account and card are ready, open Amazon and sign in to your account. Find the item you want to buy, add it to your cart, and continue to checkout. When you reach the payment section, choose the option to add a credit or debit card. Enter your Wise card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then fill in the requested cardholder and billing information exactly as needed. Taking a moment to enter everything carefully can help avoid payment errors. After entering the details, save the Wise card to your Amazon account and select it as the payment method for your order. Then review your order carefully and confirm the payment. If Wise asks for extra verification, approve the transaction in the Wise app or complete the required 3D secure authentication. This is a normal security step and helps protect your card. Once the purchase is complete, go back to Wise and open your card activity or transaction history. Find the Amazon payment and check that the amount and currency match what you expected. One final tip: if Amazon offers its own currency conversion during checkout, compare the options carefully. In many cases, it's better to pay in the local transaction currency so the merchant does not handle the conversion. That can help you make the most of Wise's exchange process. And that's how to use Wise as a payment method on Amazon.